Dear students, good morning, namaste. This is online classes and it is a part 2. The chapter is 3D coordinate geometry. That part is already I told you, that is Sangamam is part. She is not here, that is why I am taking this one. Okay, Nana? So it is a part 2 in that chapter, that is 12.3 exercise. I had to start that one. Before that one, I taught one theorem that is important in the board exam, in the theory exam. That is a section rule. Okay, now, now observe me. Already I told you, suppose there is 2 points joining. It is x1, y1, z1, and it is x2, y2, z2. These are 2 points. Line joining AB is divided by a new point capital R in the ratio m is to n internally. Then the coordinates of R is, we know that mx2 plus nx1 by m plus n. Similarly, my2 plus ny1 by m plus n. mz2 plus nz1 by m plus n. This is the section rule. Yesterday in the previous video I taught that one. This is internally. It is internally ratio. Suppose the line segment AB is this is A and B having the coordinates. Okay, but R is here. That means the distance of this distance is mn, but this distance is n, like that. That R point is outside, is external to the AB line segment. Okay, not inside AB, it is outside. That's why at this side. At the time R is equal to mx2 minus nx1. Okay, by m minus n. Similarly, my2 minus ny1 by m minus n. mz2 minus nz1 by m minus n. This is the two parts of two concepts. One is internally and another one is this is external. It is external. Okay, it is internal. Okay, these are the two concepts. The theorem is, main theorem is a section rule. We are finding the point, coordinates of the point which divides internally or externally of a line segment, given line segment. Now, on that concept, we will solve first two examples. This is very important, already asked in the exams. Find the coordinates of the point, that is page number 275, example 7 and 8 I want to solve it. Find the coordinates of the point which divides the line segment, the points 1, minus 2, 3, 3, 4, minus 5. Okay, now, in the ratio 2 is to 3, the first one is internally and second one is externally. Okay, then? So, given points, it is example 7, it is page number, it is 275. Okay. The given points, what are the given points? We say it is capital A is equal to 1 comma minus 2 comma 3 and capital B is equal to 3 comma 4 comma minus 5. M is to n is nothing but 2 is to 3. So m is 2, n is 3. One is internally. Okay, na? Second one is externally. We are asked to find both new points. Okay, na? Nice. Right. Here, the first one. This is A and it is B. A is 1 minus 2, 3. B is 3, 4, minus 1. This is x1, y1, z1. x2, y2, okay na? It is z2. But R is internally R. The point R is 2:3 ratio. This is 2 units. It is 3 units. Then what is R? It is say M. Okay, na? Every time when you solve the solution, when you solve the problem in the solution, you use what formula you are applying. That formula must be needed. Okay, na? That formula we have to write here also. Okay, na? So it is mx2 plus nx1 by m plus n. my2 plus ny1 by m plus n. mz2 plus nz1 by m plus n. Here what is m? M is 2. What is x2? It is 3. Plus what is n? It is 3. What is x1 is 1 by 2 plus 3 m plus n. Similarly 2 into 4 plus 3 into minus 2 by 2 plus 3. Similarly 2 into minus 5 plus 3 into 3 by 2 plus 3. Okay, na? It is 6 plus 3 by 5. 8 minus 6 by 5, and it is minus 10 plus 9 by 5. So it is 9 by 5, 2 by 5, and minus 1 by 5. Okay? The arithmetic only. You apply the formula. M is 2, n is 3. 2, m, okay, na? mn, 2, 3, 2, 3, 2, 3. Okay, na? x2, x1. y2, y1, z2, z1. Okay, like that. Now, second one. We solve the second. What is the second? You see, second is, I will draw the second problem. The second problem diagram is, this is A and it is B. A is 1 minus 2, 3. B is the same, 3, 4 minus 5. But R is, this distance is, okay na? I think just wait then. I will wait. R this side. Say it is A and it is B, we assume. It is 1 minus 2, 3. This is 3, 4 minus 5. This is B. But R is here. This is R. This distance is, which one? This distance is 2 units. But this distance is 3 units. 2:3. This side is there. What does it mean? This side or that side? Okay, na? Right. This is the meaning. Now R is equal to mx2 minus nx1 by m minus n. This is the second one. Second is externally. That's all. It is my2 minus ny1 by m minus n. It is mz2 minus nz1 by m minus n. Now it is m is, we know that this is m, this is n. x1, we know it well. It is m to 2 of 3 minus 3 of this one by, just wait. Okay. mx2 minus nx1 by m minus n, 2 minus 3. Similarly, 2 of 4 minus 3 of minus 2 by 2 minus 3. 2 of minus 5 minus 3 of 3 by 2 minus 3. It is 6 minus 3 by minus 1. 8 plus 6 by minus 1 minus 10 minus 9 by minus 1. Nothing but it is a 3 minus 3. You see that it is 3 by minus 1 is minus 3. It is 14 by minus 1 is minus 14. This minus 19 by minus 1 is it is 19 only. Okay now? Like that we can solve the problem. Simple in the 2 marks. In the 2 marks this question will be asked. Okay now? Please. Now I'll go to next 8th, the same page, 8th example is also important one. Please observe it. You open your textbook and see in that page that problem. It's a very good problem. Okay now? That is, I will read out. 8th example. Using the section rule, prove that the given points are collinear. This collinear concept is coming on, it is in straight lines. Okay, now? There also we are using 2 ways. In the 3 dimension also 2 ways. Okay, now? Now, this is the last one we assume. Using the section rule, prove that 3 points are collinear. What are the 3 points? Example 8. Given points are, what is A? We are taking, it is A. The minus 4, 6, 10. What is B? 2, 4, 6. What is C? It is 14, 0 and minus 2. These are the 4 points, 3 points. We have to prove that these points are collinear by using the section rule. Collinear means, you see now, it is A and it is A, so it is a B point. C must lie on this line of AB. Then they are said to be called as a collinear, collinear. Co-linear means they are lying on the same line. Say it is a point C. Let that point C. Let it be K is to 1, not M is to N. M is to N means there are 2 variables. You see now, M is to N means M by N is to 1. This M by N will be K. So, we are reducing it into a single variable. Here it is minus 4, 6, 10. Here it is 14, 0, minus 2. No. It is 2, 4, 6, B point. And C point is 14, 0, minus. Let C divides AB in ratio, we are assuming in ratio K is to 1. Just I am taking. Okay now? That C is equal to. Now it is M. Now this is M. By formula this is M, this is N. It is X1, Y1, Z1. It is X2, Y2, Z2 na. Mx2, that means K into 2 plus 1 into minus 4 by K plus 1. Similarly, K into 4 plus 1 into 6 by K plus 1 and K into 6 mz2 plus 1 into 10 by K plus 1. Okay now? This is 2K minus 4 by K plus 1. This is 4K plus 6 by K plus 1. This is 6K plus 10 by K plus 1. Okay now? But actually what is C? C we know it. It is 14 0 minus 2. Okay, na? We don't know, first of all. We are finding, we are showing, we are proving that C is also lying on A and B. Which C with these coordinates. Whether these coordinates are related to this one by taking K plus 1. You see that, na? Suppose here this 14 is equal to this one. That implies X coordinates only. We are comparing, we are equating X coordinates. Okay, na? Equating X coordinates. Okay, na? I am taking here, but we have to prove. That implies, you see that implies 2k minus 4 by k plus 1 is nothing but 14. That implies it is that implies it is 2k minus 4 is equal to 14k plus 14 14 of k plus 1, 14k plus 14. That is I am sending to that side. That 14 come to this. Minus 4 minus 14 is equal to 14k minus 2k. I will go to here. You see, here I want to solve this problem. It is minus 18, minus 18, minus 4, minus 14, minus 18, 14k minus 2k, it is 12k. Okay, na? That is 6 3s, 6 2s. That is k is equal to minus 3 by 2. So that k value is obtained by equating x coordinates in this equation. Okay, na? But how can we say C also lying on that one means the k value is obtained by x coordinate. We will check out. This is the important. We will check out in this equation also. While we are solving equating y coordinates also, if you get the k value is same as minus 3 by 2 and 3 by 2, then it is correct. Or otherwise, in the y coordinate of the point C, if you substitute that k value minus 3 by 2, we have to get this 0. You see, I will write here. In y coordinate, we will substitute. In y coordinate means 4k plus 6 by k plus 1. It is 4 into minus 3 by 2 plus 6 by minus 3 by 2 plus 2. I am substituting that k value which is obtained by equating x coordinates. Whether it is also in y coordinate, in z coordinate means then it is correct. That is k is to 1 ratio, C divides AB. That means C lies on the line AB. So that they are collinear. Like that we have to. It is a logic one. It is 2 2s minus 6 plus 6 by it is minus 3 plus 4 by 2. What it may be? 0 by anything is 0. Yes, y coordinate of C is 0. Yes, correct. It's okay, na? Yes, correct. Now, in z coordinate also, we will check out. Z coordinate means 6k plus 10 by k plus 1. 6 into minus 3 by 2 plus 10 by minus 3 by 2 plus 1. Okay, Nana? Observe. 2 3s minus 9. 2 3s, 3 3s, 9. 10 by, here it is minus 3 plus 2. Just wait. Here 1 only. It is 2 only. What else it may be? It is okay, now minus 3 plus 2 by 2. What else may be? Denominator. Numerator 0 is yes, correct. Here also it is minus 3 plus 2 by 2 na. So it is 1 by 10 minus 9 is 1 by minus 1 plus 2. Minus 3 plus 2 is minus 1 by 2. So it is minus 2. Okay, na? Yes, minus 2 is there. It's correct. Obtain the k value by solving the x coordinates. That is applied in the y coordinate, z coordinate. It gives the same y coordinate, z coordinate. Hence, it is okay. At last, we have to write it. Hence, the given points are collinear. That is the concept. Okay, now we go to exercise. We're going to exercise. The exercise 12.3. Exercise 12.3. First problem. Find the coordinates of the point which divides line joining the points. Given points is minus 2, 3, 5. B is 1, minus 4, 6. Ratio is in the ratio 2:3. First one is internally. Second one is external. Same ratio, external. Okay, na? Right. Same. The same concept. You see, first one. Here A is minus 2, 3 and 5. Here B is 1, minus 4, 6. Here also the R point is 2:3. 2:3 internal. This is internal. This one. So this is M, this is N. Okay, da? Here it is x1, y1, z1. x2, y2, z2. It is M and it is N. Now R is equal. What is R? M x2 plus N x1 by M plus N. M y2 plus N y1 by M plus N. M z2 plus N z1 by M plus N. Okay, na? Now you substitute. What is M2 into 1 x2 plus 3 into this minus 2 by 2 plus 3. 2 of that minus 4 plus 3 of this 3 by 2 plus 3. 2 of 6 plus 3 of 5 by 2 plus 3. Now this is 2 minus 6, correct? 2 minus 6 by 5, minus 8 plus 9 by 5, 12 plus 15 by 5, correct? It is minus 4 by 5, minus 4 by 5. It is 1 by 5. It is 27 by 5. Okay, it's clear? Minus 4. This is 1 and it is 27. Like that, wait, solve. The external, second one. Second one means external. It's 2:3. R point is here A point, and here it is a B point. Same. Minus 2, 3, 5. This one is 1, minus 4, 6. Okay, now? This is 2 units length and this is 3 units length. Okay, na? Like that. Here it is M, this is N. Same na? Here is you simply you apply this problem is there. Here minus only. Very simply. Blindly we can. R is equal to the formula you have to write. And it is 2 into 1 minus 3 into minus 2 by 2 minus 3. This okay, and this minus and minus. Here it is 2 of minus 4 minus 3 into 3 by 2 minus 3. Yes, okay, here minus and here minus. Here also it is 2 into 6 minus 3 into 5 by 2 minus 3. Now it is 2 plus 6 by minus 1, minus 8 minus 9 by minus 1. It is 12 minus 15 by minus 1. Okay, same numbers. That 2, 6, but minus here, there plus. Here 2 plus 3, 2 minus 3 is minus 1 in denominators. Okay, na? Okay, na? Is clear? If plus is there, there minus only. So it is 8 by minus 1 is minus 8, minus 17 by minus 1 is plus 17, 12 minus 15 is 3 by minus 1 is minus 3. Like that, the first problem in the exercise. Okay, na? Just pause.